If you have forgotten the PIN for your Samsung Galaxy A20, you can follow these steps to reset it. Before that, performing a factory reset will erase all data and settings on your device, so be sure to back up any important data before proceeding. You need to have access to your Gmail ID which you have used in the device before you forget the PIN. Turn off your Samsung Galaxy A20 by pressing volume down and power key simultaneously. When the screen went dark, keep holding the power key, release the volume down key and immediately press the volume up key. Keep holding the volume up key and the power key until the Samsung logo appears. Use the volume down key to navigate to the factory data reset option, and then press the power key to select it. Use the volume down key to select factory data reset and press the power key. Again, use the volume down key to navigate to the wipe cache partition option, and then press the power key to select it. Use the volume down key to navigate to the yes option, and then press the power key to select it. Once the reset is complete, use the volume down key to highlight the Reboot System Now option, and then press the power key to select it. Now the Samsung logo will appear and you need to follow the steps onwards to complete the settings. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe for more updates.